Healthcare providers at CHEO always have to prepare for the worst.
CTV's Katie Griffin goes behind the scenes to find out how doctors and staff fine-tune critical skills.
This is Sarah. She's a 6-year-old who was hit by a car.
When it comes to training for a life and death situation,
We're going to need to protect her airway. We're going to need to get ready to intubate.
this is as real as it gets.
I'm in, style it out.
We simulate things that happen rarely so that the team knows what they're doing when they do happen, but we also simulate things that happen frequently.
This simulation at CHEO, an exercise that runs in real time in preparation for a real emergency.
When it started off, it was mainly for trainees, so residents and fellows coming through and training, but we've now expanded it so we have monthly simulations for our emergency staff doctors as well, where they come in and get put in the hot seat as well. Okay.
The mannequin is manipulated so it does what a patient would do.
Get her ready to go to CT.
Staff have to respond.
It really allows our learners to practice their skills in a way that if they make mistakes, it's okay.
So it looks like her heart rate's coming up.
One thing you didn't see was a chance for the team members to debrief, to talk about what went well, what didn't go well, and what we can do better in the future.
Major emergency events draw in staff from different parts of the hospital. Simulations also take place in the operating room, a regular ward, and in the intensive care unit.
We do simulations in the intensive care unit on maybe patients that have had cardiac surgery and have a complication. We do simulations on the ward on patients that have difficulty breathing.
So we're going to run the fluids.
CHEO also does simulations to test protocol.
When there was the Ebola crisis, we actually simulated an Ebola patient coming through the emergency department and how that would go.
Good air entry throughout.
A team effort in a variety of scenarios.
Left side is dilated.
So when real patients are brought in, they receive the care they need. Katie Griffin, CTV News.
Your continued support makes a difference in the lives of the children at CHEO. Please visit CHEOFoundation.com and donate today.